Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making beef kofta curry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's start cooking. First, take 4 to 5 green chilies and throw them into the chopper, along with the cut onions. And 6 garlic cloves with 2 pieces of ginger and 1 teaspoon of salt. Finally add in half packet of kofta masala and 1 kilogram of any meat. Now blend it all together. A tablespoon of basin powder. Mix again in the chopper. Now oil your hands. Take a little portion of the minced meat and roll them into balls. Repeat the process. Now your kofta balls are done. Now take to medium size cut up onions, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, and 5 pieces of ginger. Mince all of these in the chopper. Now take a utensil and add in 1/2 cup of oil. Add in the minced onions and garlic. Cook until it is golden brown. Blend 5 tomatoes in a juicer and add in the utensil. Mix it well. Now let it cook until it starts to leave out water. Mix it again. Add in the remaining kofta masala. Add in 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, along with 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and ½ teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix all of these together. Pour in 1 cup of yogurt. Mix it again. For 5 minutes. Pour in 1 cup of water. Mix well. Cook for 5 minutes. Add in the kofta slowly. Let it cook. When the koftas start leaving out water, lower the flame and let it cook again. When it starts to leave out oil, add in 1 teaspoon of salt and mix. Garnish with some chilies and mix again. Let it cook for 2 minutes. Now the kofta curry is ready to be served.